So what happened to your new toy, Paul?
Well, I tried to cut a nail with apparently a wood blade. Amateur mistake. There's nothing left.
Hi, welcome back. Week 2 of our bathroom renovation. And what is on the agenda this week?
Oh, let's see. We've got to finish ripping up the tile floor from last week. We need to rip down the wall that was part of the closet in the entryway and buy some lumber to replace it. Essentially, build a new wall. So we have some nice flat, straight, plumb walls for the shower tile. And then we also need to check out the drains to make sure we can move the tub to the toilet and vice versa. So
we're also going to keep a running tally at the end of our video of the money we spend week to week on this renovation, in case anyone's interested in seeing what it costs us out of pocket minus, obviously we're not charging for labor or any tools that we need to buy.
Right. Yep.
We'll show what we actually spent on this bathroom.
Cool.
All right. So thanks and wish us luck.
Yes. Stay tuned. Okay. Today's project is to rip this floor up. Hopefully it comes up fairly easy. I don't know. We'll find out. But let's get started with that. It's promising sound. That's what I was hoping for. I was hoping they didn't screw down the underlayment below the tiles. And it looks like they stapled it, so this should come up fairly easy. We'll just keep prying at it and pulling it up slowly. Well, this isn't good. Subfloor under the toilet apparently was leaking around the base of the toilet because there's nothing left. So we'll have to cut this section of the floor out and replace that. You good?
Yep. Rubble.
Oof, lots of rubble.
Okay, tile floor ripped up. Jeez! I don't think that's right.
There you go. It's like a fine line between cutting it and pulling it out.
Where are you going?
Yeah, this one's like a lost.
Way in the way?
Yep. Let's just leave that one alone, but my OCD's kicking in.
There we go.
up, guys. Ooh, thank you.
Paul's artwork.
It's not terrible. It's about a quarter of an inch there, quarter of an inch there, but it's not ideal by any stretch of the imagination. Yeah. Especially to hang tile on. Ooh. There.
All right. It's free. Should you shut the power off? No?
Live life on the edge.
I feel like you're going to kill yourself.
Alright, I'm just going to take this out of the holder for now.
Oh, that's easy enough.
Yep. Alright, so.
Just slides out?
I think it's free.
Just hanging?
Oh, I thought we were done with sheetrock. Oh, never done with sheetrock.
There we go.
I'll do it.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Nailed it.
Yeah. You're sure the wall's not going to fall down, right?
I'm pretty sure. Take this guy out first. Come on.
Work it. Work it. Oh, there you go. Ooh. That's like a death trap.
You know what? Just in case.
What happened to your new toy, Paul?
Well, I tried to cut a nail with apparently wood blade. Amateur mistake. I didn't know. I thought it was like a multi-blade.
On the multi-tool?
On the multi-tool. It isn't. It's for wood.
And how is it marked, Paul? Let's show everybody so that
says,
if they get one, they know.
Clearly says wood.
Yeah, I'm sure you can. There we go.
Yeah. There's some actual metal blades. Gotta be smarter than the tool, Paul. Before we build our wall along here, I think the first thing we need to do is make sure that we can move our plumbing, or more specifically move the drain pipe for the toilet over to here along that wall, and the drain for the tub will be put somewhere over in here. So I think the first step is to open up this floor. We have to replace it anyway. Kind of see what we're dealing with. It doesn't have to be exact. I just want to get a somewhat of a straight line. There, I got a piece of 3/4 inch scrap wood so I can cut the depth of my saw. I don't want to cut. I'm sure there are pipes and everything else below this subfloor, so I don't want to cut through something important. It's in pretty bad shape. Wood joists are, ooh, they're a little tender too. All right, well, we cut the floor open. Finally got it out. Was able to lift up, I don't know, 3/4 of a sheet. Found some extensive damage to that floor joist, so we'll have to repair that. But other than that, we also opened up where we want to put the new toilet, and sure enough, the drain is one bay over, so I think we'll be able to make this work. So until then, we'll next week, hopefully we can build the wall. We've got all our lumber. So we'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye.